To all my friends, ladies and gentlemen, this is the simplest way to actually dry your school chalk at a friendly budget. You know, many people have been asking me how much is a dryer, and I normally tell them you don't need to buy a dryer before knowing how the school chalk business can be operated. Of course, you need a lot of guidance so that you can profit from this business. It's not just a matter of making chalk and you see yourself with chalk, but it is a matter of making profits out of what you do. So for all the people who have been asking me about how much is a dryer costs 2,500,000 Uganda shillings, but you have no difference with me, who is using around 30,000 only to use these polythene bags to dry my chalk. So make sure you are always smart in your business operation, otherwise you just be working but you don't see profits in the end. This is how I dry my chalk, and you can pick a leaf from here and tomorrow you can start your own production. Remember, machines are available and we give you free training on how you can run this business at a friendly budget and make profits in the end. So here we are, and this is Homeland school chalk manufacturers. Come take your machine and we shall give you free training and you go and start your own business. Thank you so much for watching. For those of you who are new here, kindly consider subscribing, and all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm Michael, and if you want to reach out to me, you can WhatsApp me on +256 7 +256 If you want to talk to me, you can check the number that is on this video and WhatsApp me. I will be able to guide you through how you can start and run a successful school chalk business. Have a nice time. Bye bye.